Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm making this video currently in quarantine because I'm not back to work yet. But this is also something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Sharing some self-care ideas with you. Sharing different things that I like to do. So in this video I'm going to share 2 DIY mask recipes. One for hair and one for face. So let's get into it. So the first mask is a 1-ingredient hair mask, which is made of just an onion. So I took a white onion and beat it in a mixer. If you're using red onions, that's okay too. You can strain it out so you will only have the juice left, and that's fine too. Just make sure you put it really well onto your scalp. You can work it towards the ends, but that's not very necessary. Using it once or twice a week will just do the job. You will start to see the results within 2 weeks. I personally experienced less hair fall, and I have to warn you, it's gonna make you cry a lot. Okay guys, so now the next mask is a face mask, which we're gonna make with egg whites and sugar. Oh, not that one, we need a new egg whites and some sugar, and we just have to keep whisking it until it turns foamy and cloudy. My cocoa butter kisses help you smile when you listen. Yup, that's exactly what we need. And you can use a spoon to put it on your face. I've been breaking out a lot lately, so I decided to make this mask because it's very good for skin tightening and making your pores look smaller. I am not doing so good with the spoon. Okay. I'm just gonna use my hands. So leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and then go ahead and rub in all the egg white foam that's still there. And wait another 5 minutes and let it dry. Once that happens, you can just rinse it off using warm water. And that's me with the hair and face mask on. So here's what my hair looks like the next day, and also my skin. I have so much less hair fall. Like, look, there's nothing coming out of my hair right now. This was not the case yesterday. Oh, I found one, but yesterday it was like 100 hair at a time. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please comment down below. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel so I can keep posting, and I would love your suggestions on how I can do better. Yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.